Alright guys, so I did this earlier and it worked. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade dog treats. So yeah. So I have a dehydrator, and if you have one, this will work. But if you don't, it'd be kind of hard, but you'd have to do it in the oven. So get 2 containers, your dehydrator. I got this for Christmas. And then get some lunch meat, turkey, and then put a couple pieces on your oven racks. And they're like, yeah, they're that big around, but they're gonna shrink and only be like this big around. So yeah, put some really any type of lunch meat on your trays. Then put them in your dehydrator. And then you turn it on. Oh, plug it in. And 175. And put it in for an hour and 30 minutes at 175. And yeah, so we'll check on it later. Well guys, thanks for watching today's video, and hopefully you could try out that recipe. And yeah, just thanks for watching, and just comment down below more recipes I could try out. Thanks.